This is not just banana bread, this is the banana bread. It is crispy, it is soft, it's easy as hell to make. It starts with a streusel topping. It has 5 ingredients, mash it together, put it to the side. Then we're taking dry ingredients, whisking that together, putting that to a side. Then we're taking 2 types of sugar, one brown, one white, one for the crisp and one for the goo. Then we're finding bananas that are like on their final like 5%. Like the older, the better. Mash them up like they have a debt to pay you, and then add into the milk and then mix in our sugar mixture. Give that a mix, and then we're going to add that to our flour and dry ingredients. Barely mix, and if you're feeling a little cheeky, you can add in some semi-sweet chocolate and some walnuts. Finally top with the streusel and bake till your house smells like the inside of a cinnamon roll. I am not joking.